students, this is your Anjaneyan sir. Today onwards we are going to take online classes on this channel. So all first year students must be subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon button for your classes notification. So MPCS first year, AML first year, Life Science first year and BCA first years. So all the first year student must be subscribed for the channel. I am going to take all the remaining classes. So due to less amount of time, we are not able to complete our syllabus. That's why I choose this channel uh, for the purpose of to complete entire syllabus. So follow this channel and makes as early as possible. I will upload and I will take online classes. Thank you.